Hey guys, just gonna make a toy review on my Transformers figures that I got from Amazon. I'm not sure if they're still there on Amazon. So I got it I got it on last year on July 2023. So check it out. First we've got an Optimus Prime here, and which came from the first movie, the 27. And I didn't want to customize him to Scourge from Transformers Rise of the Beast because I feel like I'm gonna sell it with him and stuff. And I already got him. Yeah, I have both of them. This is from the eBay one. That came with the others. And the faces look different though. There's hold on. Yeah, much better. This is what it look like. Yeah, this is what they look like the other stuff. Yeah. This part of the red. Darker this one. This figure has a loose loose foot. Fall off. It keeps falling off. And just kind of down to transformize him. Ouch. And here. And there you go. Next we got Bumblebee from Transformers Prime. I don't know what's the other one called. But this figure it's the only one that comes with a weapon or an accessory. Yeah, I was able to take it off. And trying to compare him with the Bumblebee one that I got from eBay. That also comes with that's the Prime one that I showed you. They're both different though. So this one's taller. Time to transform him. Okay. It's kind of hard. Sorry. Hold on. I was able to put it. The other arm. Come on. There we got Leadfoot, and it came from the 2011 Transformers Dark of the Moon and stuff. And here's the back of it, of the figure, and then transform them. And here we go. Here's a comparison of Leadfoot and Hound. I gave Hound a Play-Doh for the head. So I can. I'm gonna paint it soon until it dries. I just give him a head. That was made of Play-Doh. So yeah. Fourth, we got Skit and Mudflap. And they both have the same vehicle. Kind of reminds me of the Transformers Dark of the Moon. And stuff. It shows a comparison if I could find. And here's Ratchet from the eBay one. It comes with Hound, Bumblebee, and Optimus Prime. And Optimus Prime. The other one. This is the figure that came from Ravenspawn. I don't know how to pronounce it. But, and Hot Rod. And a Hot Rod. This here. And yeah. Time to transformize him. And also this part should have been on the back of the feet. So this one has the same one as there. I'll just give him the figure. Or then they shouldn't put this part and on this part or something. I don't know. Just saying. Those are the yellow clay that I was trying to make some motion of it. Transformers, Revenge of the Fallen, stuff. Let's go with the other one. There you go. Fifth, we got Ironhide, and it also came from the 2007 from the first Transformers movie. The Bayverse one. Sorry. And I'm gonna show you some comparisons. And with Optimus Prime. He's kind of bigger than him. I don't know, it looks bigger than him. Here we got Ratchet. Other side. And stuff. Look good. Down to the back side. Stuff. And transformizing. Gonna put that in there. And his feet connected, or the legs. And done. There you go. Fifth, we got Legatron from 2017, Transformers 5, and The Last Night. And yeah, I did have the official one, which is customized to I think Blitzwing and stuff. And here you go. I expect that this figure is gonna have a bigger size for Optimus, but no, it's gonna. I think it's gonna have the same size. I think. And then here's Optimus. And stuff. Up there. Here's the eBay one. Which is same as the Amazon. Let's look at the back side. I'm trying to transformize them. Push the chest. Hey, no. Oh, I thought it is arm full off. No, never connected. And done. There you go. The last one, I think, we got a barricade from the 2017 Transformers 5 last night, and I also had the official one too. And just get from here. It's kind of loosey. This one. These legs are kind of loose. Yeah. And here you go. I just wrote wrong on the word police. I just wrote wrong on the word police and stuff. And it has red covers because I was trying to customize it to Barrage and Transformers Dark of the Moon. And and you got Bumblebee. And also kind doing the 2018. Yeah, 2018 one. And I may even like this. I may like this because he's almost taller than Optimus. And here's this one. No, there are more comparisons. Comparisons of the barricades. Or something, I don't know. Here comes the 2018 one that I got from Ecuador, and the eBay one, which is the 2007 one. I was trying to say the eBay ones that has like the Japanese or Chinese horizontal on the package. But at least there's a card that says thank you, so yeah. And I try to take a closer look on the eyes. Maybe I don't know, I should call him a sound wave or something. Since he has those eyes. And stuff. Oh. Maybe. And time to custom, time to transformize him. And over there. Oops. And put the feet connected. And done. Here you go. Okay, hopefully that's all the figures I could find. And thanks for watching.